So today I got a little supply package. All right, a lot of paper. Then we have 25mm square bases. These will come in handy for more orcs. Then we have 25 by 50mm bases. These will be interesting for our orc boys. And then we have a 50mm square base. This will become interesting later. What else do we have? Oh, of course, we have a bit of plastic cement. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 spray cans of super glue activator, but these will go into the storage for now. And then we have wet palette paper. I think these will last me for a while. Storage also. But the most interesting thing is this thing. Let me get you closer. This is a Reaper Wyvern or Wyvern. I'm not quite sure how you pronounce it. But this thing will be the basis for my newest project. And what that will be, let me show you. There it is. So I want to rebuild this thing. This is an orc shaman riding a wyvern or wyvern. And the thing is, it's out of print, but I really like its design. I really like how it looks. The Wyvern model, and I think I will stick to Wyvern right now. The Wyvern model I have is this one. This is the one you can get right now on the Games Workshop site. I mean, it's fine. It's not bad. However, it lacks, for my taste, a bit of the dynamic that this thing has. So I want to try to replicate this style with this Wyvern. Oh, it comes with a base that is, it's 50 by 50mm. This is perfect. I think I will keep that. So what I wanted to try out first is to see how this would work. Yeah, this won't work very well. I could even maybe take those wings because they are a bit bigger. No, I think I will stick with those. Let's try to get rid of all those little mold lines. I think I'm going to decorate the base first. Let's cover the slot first. I'm using simple packaging tape for that, simply because we don't need anything else really. Magnets, of course. Now, this is a big boy. And I have big magnets, 2 left. And I think I will use those. Now with this, we can start decorating. I want to have a big platform in the middle, something like that. You also can put it a bit at an angle, even at the cutoff part here. There's an extra rock. Yeah, I think we would go with that. Now, normally, if you want to add a model on the base like this, you might want to pin it. But luckily, we already have this part that is specifically designed to fit into the slaughter bases. I want to use that and make a little slot here with my rotary tool. This allows me to glue this piece directly into the bark. But it fits beautifully, just like that. with that, we have the Wyvern built. Now, the only thing I am not so happy about are the horns, because those are a little bit small for my taste. I mean, if you look at the horns of this thing, you see they're much more pronounced, and maybe I'm even going to try to resculpt them. Yeah, I think I will try to do that. That shouldn't be too hard, at least I hope so. So first, let me mix up some green stuff and milliput mix. Now we let this set for about half an hour, and then we will get back to that and start making the horns. So I think my plan to save the actual horn, or at least the base of the horn, is not very viable, so I think I will remove it completely, drill a small hole. Now we have our wire here. I will bend it roughly here, and then we separate them down here. This is horn number 2. Yeah, something like that. Okay. I think it's time for our putty. There is something truly magical about metal miniatures. Honestly, I don't know what it is. It may even be only the weight itself. I mean, if you move one of those guys on your battlefield towards your opponent, it feels like something truly massive is on its way. I remember buying my first metal miniatures, which was the Dark Elf Sorceress, and compared to your standard plastic Dark Elf Warriors, this one miniature is extremely powerful. And the same goes for this one. In combination with the Shaman, which we will get to at a later point, this thing can really rack shit up. I don't know how to say it otherwise. So yeah, I'm really happy where I'm at with this now. I mean, there is, again, a lot of work to do. I hope I won't take as long as I took with the chariot, but we will see how far we will get with this. And as I already said, I'm already pretty happy with where this is at.